How to use onion juice for hair growth. Super shiny healthy hairs are like a god gift nowadays due to poor routine, unhealthy diet, using unusual hair products that can damage your hair. Hair growth depends on many factors, but heredity or any ailment or any adverse effects of medicine affects hair's health and growth. Everybody looks great, and hairs are important in our looks and personality. And you have to be really patient when you are thinking about any remedy for your hairs. We will discuss onion juice that is a mind-blowing panacea for all hair troubles. Onion has such components that love to nourish your hair and help them grow and make them strong. Let's see how you can use onion juice in different ways. 1. Coconut oil and onion juice for hair growth. Ingredients: 3 to 4 tablespoons fresh onion juice, 2 tablespoons organic coconut oil, a few drops of tea tree oil optional. Preparation and usage: mix all the ingredients well and apply them in the scalp gently and massage for 10 minutes. Leave it for 30 to 40 minutes and wash hair gently. Repeat the process twice or thrice in a week. Benefits: coconut oil has an antibacterial quality that removes scalp dirt and makes it clean. Tea tree oil removes dandruff and makes scalp healthy, and onion juice contains sulfur that promotes hair growth and blood circulation. 2. Olive oil and onion juice for hair growth. Ingredients: 3 to 4 tablespoons onion juice, 2 tablespoons organic olive oil. Preparation and usage: mix both well for a minute and apply into the hairs and scalp well and massage in a circular motion for 10 to 15 minutes. Leave it for 2 hours and use a mild shampoo for hair wash. Repeat thrice in a week for better results. Benefits: olive oil is loaded with multivitamins and minerals that help in faster hair growth. It works as a protection shield and locks the hair components like keratin. Mixing with onion juice makes a perfect combination for hairs, and within a few weeks, you see a great transformation in the hairs. 3. Castor oil and onion juice for hair growth. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of castor oil, 3 to 4 tablespoons of freshly extracted onion juice. Preparation and usage: mix both ingredients for a while and apply in the scalp and massage for 10 minutes and leave it for 60 to 70 minutes. Wash hairs with a mild shampoo and don't use warm water for washing. Castor oil is one of the most trusted hair growth formulas for enhancing the keratin levels and promotes follicles health. Combining with onion juice is a wonderful idea. This hair mask helps to remove dandruff, dry scalp, and itching, and make hairs strong, shiny, thick, and long. 4. Egg and onion juice for hair growth. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons onion juice, 1 egg, a few drops of lavender oil optional, a shower cap. Preparation and usage: mix the ingredients with the help of a whisk, make a smooth paste. Apply this in the scalp and to the whole hair tip to root and massage for a few minutes and wear a shower cap to avoid discomfort. Leave it for an hour and wash off with a good quality shampoo and use cold water or normal water but not hot. Repeat the process once in a week.